How to make only admin being able to make message in WhatsApp group. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your WhatsApp and then go to your group. After that, make sure you are the admin of that group. After that, tap on the group icon and then scroll down and you will see an option group permissions. And from here, you will see an option members scan and then other options such as send messages and add other members. Simply toggle this off like this and member only admin can message in that group and not other members. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.